Welcome to Chapter 5, Special Types. We begin this chapter by exploring none, a unique constant in Python used to represent the absence of a value. Understanding none is crucial for handling defaults and function return values. 1. Definition and type. None is a single value, a constant defined by Python. It is not zero, it is not an empty string, and it is not false. It belongs to its own data type, none type. 2. None in functions. By default, if a function does not have an explicit return statement, Python automatically returns none. None is often used as a default value for optional function arguments, allowing the code to later check if a value was actually passed by the user. 3. Comparison with none. When checking if a variable is none, the preferred and most robust method is to use the identity operator, is. To summarize, none is Python's way of saying no value here. Use it for initializing variables, defining default arguments, and checking the return status of functions that don't explicitly return data. In our next lecture, 0502, Escape Chars, we will learn how to deal with special characters within strings that are usually difficult to represent directly, like quotes or new lines. See you there.